Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Ed and Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want.
Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, I am glowing, I am fresh. I just took a shower because I'm on my way to my hair appointment. So yeah, that's also why I'm in a bonnet. So today I'm going red. I'm going red. I've been wanting the 99J look. I've been seeing everywhere, Pinterest, like everywhere, and I wanted to get this color while it was still winter here. So yeah, like this is the last phase of winter, literally next month is September, so I really need to, you know, get onto this. I'm going to be installing a 22-inch frontal. It's a 99J. That's what the color is called. It's called 99J, and it's from Celie hair. So shout out to them for gifting me this beautiful wig. I'm excited for this one mainly because it was one of my goals in winter. I wanted to do blonde and I wanted to do red, and yeah, we're gonna be doing it. We're gonna be doing the red today. It's gonna be styled, I was thinking layers, I really was, but I'm thinking more just normal straight long middle part bone straight hair, and I think that's gonna be beautiful. I also have an event tomorrow, so that's even better. I think I'm gonna look so freaking cute. So yeah, if you are interested in getting the same look, I literally just wanted very simple, very sleek. I am a bit nervous because, you know, it's color. Like when it comes to color, I normally do black. I normally do like a, you know, like a dusty blonde, a brown, you know, I go that route. So I am a bit nervous when it comes to this color, but I wanted to do it so bad this year. And I picked the perfect company because I've worked with Celie hair so many times. Love the quality, love their hair, love their prices. So if you're interested in trying something new, or even if you just want a classic option and you've tried Celie hair before, I definitely recommend that you just go back onto that site and go and give their colored hair a try, especially the red. I think they did a beautiful job when it comes to the color. It came red, it came in that 99J color, so they did that, and I think they did a beautiful job. I think they did a stunning job, and I will have the link to the hair in the description box. I'll also have a link to their actual store so that you can go on there, check out all their other frontals, check out some closures, check out some different textures as well, because I'm going with just straight hair. And you can go and check out some body waves, some curly, you know, it is going into spring, so I do recommend that if you want to just zhuzh up your collection, you definitely check out Celie hair. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video and you do want to try this color out, then definitely go into my description box. I'll have everything that you need down there. So yeah, shout out to Celie hair. I'm so excited. Like, I think it's gonna look so cute on me. So yeah, anyway, before I talk myself into being late for my appointment, let's go straight into it. I'm going to be installing my hair with April. Like you guys know, love my girl April. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so let's get started. So we're gonna get started by prepping my hairline. I've had these cornrows in for quite some time, so we definitely need to do this just so that my edges don't get caught in the glue or anything like that. Like I always get, I'm going to be getting the glueless method, and I'm also going to be doing the stocking cap method. As you can see, she's using Got2b. That's what I prefer. I just prefer Got2b on my scalp. I like the fact that you can just wash it out. You don't need alcohol or anything like that. You just need water. So yeah, anyway, we are then going to make sure that the bald cap is matching my skin using some makeup. And this install was really simple, guys. I really was there for literally maybe even 35 minutes because we we're able to melt the skin and melt the lace into the skin really easily. It was just a really nice job that she did. Also, when it comes to how she customized, so this hair didn't come pre-plucked, so we had to do some customization. What we're doing right now is we're cutting out a ear tab. So the lace is 13 by 4, so that means I've got 13 inches of lace across my forehead, and then I've got 4 inches of parting space. So that's normally a little bit too long for me when it comes to the length, so we cut that off, and then we're just going to actually install. Literally, we're just going to make sure that the glue is nice and tacky and install the hair. I am going to have this be a little more detailed because I did want to keep this wig in for a long time. I did keep it in for a whole weekend, so I wanted the install to be nice and intact. This is her opening up a part for me. Like I said, I am going to be doing a middle part. I just enjoyed this a lot more. I might try a side part soon, but I never do it. We are just making sure that the lace is melting, and she puts an elastic band on for that. And literally that is all for the actual installation. We are then just straightening the hair, and because it's just straight, this was so quick, guys. I was literally in and out. I even surprised myself. So yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, I was saying I also don't know when I'm going to try a side part. That might be soon, but I'm just such a middle part girl. I'm such a middle part girl. How do you guys feel about this color? Let me know in the description box, but I feel like she slayed it. I love the install. I think Celie hair did such a good job with this hair. So I will also tell you that when I washed the hair, like when I took it out of my head and I washed it in the shower, the color did come out a little bit. You also have to remember that the hair was dyed this color. It didn't come this color. You know what I mean? It's not synthetic. It was actually normal human hair, and then it was dyed by Celie hair. So there is going to be some red, you know, residue in the shower. The color's gonna come out a little bit, but it's still very, very much red still, you know. So yeah, that's what I have to say about that. But guys, look at this color on me. I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. So yeah, shout out to Celie hair for this one. It was a moment. If you saw it on Instagram, you saw it on Instagram. But yeah, if you are interested, definitely go into my description box and make sure that you shop this hair. Okay? Period.